What's up, guys? Sorry for the delay on getting to this video. Work got a little crazy and I just overpromised on what I could get done on this. But I am finally getting around to doing the car Chopsuey. I had a couple people reach out to me, and so I'm going to, instead of kind of doing a walk-through tutorial on how I did all this, I'm just going to kind of do a time-lapsed sequence of what I did, and then at the very end I'll present the results. It's going to take way too long to do a tutorial each time, and I don't know how much you guys really want to see about all that. So I figured I'll just kind of, like I said, do a time lapse, go through it quickly, and then show you the beginning and the end results, and hopefully you guys enjoy. So let's get started. All right, so I'm going to show you the final results here of the first car Chopsuey Photoshop session here. I had two people reach out to me. The first was Mopar Mad Mods, and the second was johnnypro. So Mopar Mad Mods wanted to see a couple things with his car, so we're going to show you the first couple that I did here. Here's his white Charger, and so he wanted to see his Charger with a sniper hood. I just want to say that this was a tough one because there's not a ton of, well, there's very few photos of a sniper hood on the 06 to 2010 Dodge Chargers. So being that there's not a lot, you also have to rely on only a certain angle, and the angle wasn't great. But anyways, with that said, I'm going to show you what it looks like with the white sniper hood, and so there's your results there, and then here's the carbon fiber. I know they come in a couple different versions. So there you go from the 3/4 angle. So here's the before, the plain hood, the white sniper hood, and the carbon fiber. So there you go. There's the results for that. So here's the front angle of his car. And with this one, I just went with the white sniper hood. So that's what the sniper hood would look like from the front angle. Again, not a lot of photos for the sniper hood on the first gen. And so I believe this actually was off of a second gen. So the 2011 to 14 Chargers, and I had it kind of graphed on there. But it gives you a pretty decent idea what it would look like on the white Charger there. Here's the back of the car before the louvers, and here is with the louvers. And after doing this one, I really am. I've been thinking about the louvers for a while, but after seeing this, now I'm like, I really want these for my car. So this is actually helping me out a little bit too. I think they look really cool. So before and after, and here's a side profile. So there's the before, and then with louvers. And again, you're limited to what kind of angle you can find on some of these, so it's not perfect, but it gives you a pretty good idea of what they would look like. And so that was the results for his. And then here is Johnny Pro, and Johnny Pro wanted to see, this is pretty cool, wanted to see his car with a General Lee wrap, which I think actually looks fantastic. So let's take a look at what the final results are. And there you go. I think that's pretty awesome. I think it looks really, really cool. And so this was a pretty easy one, just doing the color change and finding the numbers was easy. Obviously, there's lots of General Lee photos out there, but I think the B5 blue looks amazing as is, but the General Lee wrap is really cool. So maybe this will inspire Johnny Pro to actually go forward with this. So if so, it would be awesome. But so there's your results. Again, sorry for the delay on getting to this. Work has been absolutely kicking my butt. But regardless, I had fun doing it. And hopefully this gives you guys a good idea of what your cars would look like with your requests. And I'll be sending these to these guys through email too, so they can have a full-size image of it. So there you go, wrapping up the inaugural edition of Car Chopsuey. Hope you guys enjoyed, and catch you next time. Peace out.